a Tesla Cybertruck navigating the challenging terrain of Black Bear Pass, a notorious off-road trail in Colorado known for its steep, rocky ascents and descents. Highlighting the vehicle's capability to handle extreme conditions typically associated with traditional off-road vehicles. Black Bear Pass, located between Nuri and Telluride, is a high-altitude dirt road that reaches 12,840 feet and is only accessible a few months a year due to snow, making it a significant test for any vehicle's off-road performance, especially an electric one like the Cybertruck. This demonstrates Cybertruck's advanced traction control and durability, challenging the narrative that electric vehicles are unsuitable for rugged off-road environments, and aligns with recent updates to the vehicle that include locking differentials for improved off-road performance.